There's no doubt that page speed is important when you have a website. A fast site helps you rank higher in search results, drives traffic, and improves your visitors' overall experience. Clearly, visitors are happier when they don't have to sit around waiting for your site to load. So you know having a fast site is important, of course, but how exactly do you speed it up? It's actually not as complex as you might think. Let's go over 6 simple things you can do to improve the speed of your site. First, clean it up. A website is just like anything else. It works a lot better when it's organized and not slowed down by clutter, so get rid of spam and old files you're not using anymore. Delete unused plugins and themes too, and key point here, do all this on a regular basis. Getting rid of digital clutter makes it easier for your server to keep your site running fast. Second, keep your plugins and themes updated, as well as the website itself. This keeps your site secure, more efficient, and improves stability too. But before installing a new theme or plugin, make sure to do your homework. How many times has it been downloaded? Are people leaving good reviews? Has a new version been released lately? These kind of questions help identify resources that are likely to help your site and not hurt it. Now, let's talk about caching for a moment. Caching is the process by which certain files of a website are stored within a visitor's browser for future use. That way, their browser doesn't have to re-download the files from scratch every time they visit. You can install a plugin like W3 Total Cache or WP Rocket that will help with this process. The right plugin will clearly define what files should and should not be cached, thus delivering your content faster to returning visitors. Fourth, embed media from other sources. Most web servers simply aren't designed to store and deliver media to visitors. Doing so just slows your site down and leaves users frustrated. So instead, upload the video, music, or pictures you want to use to services designed for that purpose. For example, upload videos to YouTube and then use the oembed or iframe HTML tag to embed them within your page. It looks just as if you uploaded the video right to your site, except it loads a lot faster and is optimized for playback too. For audio, you could use a service such as SoundCloud, and for photos, you could use Flickr or something similar. Now, there may be instances where you'll want to upload photos directly to your site, but images can be a major trigger for slowing it down, which leads us to point number 5. When you need to host media directly on your site, make sure to compress it first. For audio, only upload compressed files such as MP3s. And for images, not only should you compress them, but also make sure to specify their dimensions. Here's why. When a visitor comes to your site, their browser has to determine how exactly to display your content. If you haven't already specified the size of your images, the browser has to calculate it itself, which takes time. So help speed up the process by providing the proper dimensions from the get-go. Great media can make a website vibrant and engaging, but don't let it be the reason your traffic leaves. Our last tip for maintaining a speedy site is choosing the right hosting solution. This is a big one. You can do everything right, but if the server hosting your site is underpowered, your page speed will still suffer. So be sure to select a service that not only provides plenty of resources like CPU and RAM, but lets you easily add more as your traffic increases. Your host should also provide the flexibility to upgrade to more powerful platforms as you grow. At Bluehost, we allow you to do all these things. Scaling resources and upgrading your account literally takes just a couple of clicks. We offer VPS, dedicated, and cloud solutions so you can select the platform that provides just the right amount of power to guarantee your site delivers fast. If you have questions or want to learn more about the 6 tips we just covered, get in touch. Our experts can answer your questions or even do all of this for you. So give us a call and we'll get your site up to speed fast.